And I said, pretty, pretty, please, won't you get down on your knees? Tell me what it is, tell me what it is. Keep that dinero on my mind, get the green. Go get the green, motherfucker.
Just got some nice shrimp from the marina. Ready to go slam. Alright, casting back up in here. Dang, bro, slow down.
Oh, I was immaculate parking right there.
There's one. Oh, right off. Straight to the throw, just like that. Oh, look at that. That was sick. Sam's on. That's funny. Okay, left.
I literally got the snapper that you chased me.
Oh, that fish had more weight on it. I could feel it. Probably a sheepshead. Most likely. The way it felt. It bit it. Go forward. There's one. There's one. Got me around the pole. Snapper. Yeah, it's not too bad. Swallowed it a little bit. I got the little mangrove. We can get a release on him. There he goes. Yeah. All right, back under there. I think we got 4 mangrove and a ladyfish out of this dock, which is decent. Oh, I just got hit. Oh, and a sheepshead. We're on. What is that? Oh, a little snook. Little snook. Let's freaking go. Hey now, hey now. Caught herself a little snooker.
Yeah, that's not slow. I was not expecting that. I thought it was a lizard.
Got ourselves a nice little snooky. Look at this thing. He's trying to steal it. I ain't letting him steal this though. This is gonna be a 30-incher one day. Nice little release on this guy. Alright, cast back under there. Oh, Sam's on a decent fish. Oh, dang. Probably a drum. That was a smart fish. He went straight under the boat. There's a fish. There's a fish. Oh my god. Giant sheepshead. Giant, Sam.
Oh, damn. Keep on that, keep on that. Oh my god.
You got a net on here?
Nope.
Land this thing. Land this thing. Just grab him. Grab that thing. Grab him. No, just grab him. Grab him. Get him in here. Let's go. Let's freaking go, baby. Let's go. That's a stud. Freaking stud, baby.
Oh my god. We're gonna get a quick flick with that. That thing's nice.
All right, guys. That's on the end right there. All the way up to there. About 19-inch sheepshead. That's a stud.
We got him in the cooler now. And, Nice sheep. One more look at him. Huge sheep. Probably the biggest one either of us have ever seen.
Letting fish now. Yeah, I'm gonna go get my fillet knife. This thing is dull.
It's not that dull.
Pretty dang dull.
I know, I need to sharpen it. No, yours are just super sharp.
There's our 2 fillets. Going to bring it to the kitchen. Taking this seafood seasoning and putting it on there. Flip it. Put it on this side.
Hey, Reed.
Got it going. Toast. Grilling up because we don't have any like dinner rolls. We got the fish. Just flipped it. Looking good. Gonna be a good meal?
Yeah.
1 sandwich. But I have 2.
Cut that. Cut them in half.
Food, please. There you go.
Cut them in half just so we didn't have to. So it wouldn't be so hard to take it off the oven. Oh yeah. Right there, right there.
There we go.
How's it going over here? Good. That's the end result.